software to migrate emails from Yahoo to Gmail account? And are you searching for a trusted solution online? Corbett Software Yahoo Mail Account Backup and Restore Wizard. One-step solution for all mail client and mail server. Now let's check out the main features of this software. Auto-detects server address and port number easily. Migrate emails along with attachments and all attributes. Migrate Yahoo Mails in document format like PDF, CSV, HTML etc. Maintains 100% data integrity of the migrated files. Install and run the Corbett Backup and Restore Wizard. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Accounts. Choose Add Account option from showing pop-up window. Now add your Yahoo Mail account details like email address and app-created password for migration process. If you don't know how to create app password, go to description section and get the link. Then click on the Add button. In case you are not able to log in with credentials, please select the Advanced Settings option. Here you need to add the IMAP server, that you can search by clicking Find button also. After fill the IMAP server details and port number. Click on Add button. As you can see, the software is analyzing the entered credentials. You can enable the Compact View button to view the important folder for migration process. Select the required folder in software, list all the emails in the panel. Now click the email to view the message preview. This way you can preview the email message with all the elements such as email's properties, signature, sender information and more. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Message header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message, such as sender, recipient, date, subject, and more. The hex view lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw message preview, for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press Enter button for search. And you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Go to Advanced Search. You can search in all fields like calendar, and date, rain, and more. Now pick the emails field you want to search information from, such name, subject to, CC, content and more. Click here to close Advanced Search option. Select the Export option and choose Gmail option from drop-down menu. Now mark the required folder and unmark the rest folder as per your requirement. Now let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. First is create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this. The last option is append into default folders. Apply these advanced options as per your requirement. You can also change your migrated folder name. Now enter your account details like email address and password. Finally, go to Save button and look the live process of Yahoo Mail account migration in Gmail account. Once the task completed, you get a successful message. Then click on Open Gmail option to view the output. Now you will see the Yahoo emails migrated in Gmail account. Thank you for watching.